Choosing the right platform for your affiliate marketing efforts is essential, as it determines how you will reach and engage with your audience. Here's a closer look at popular options. A blog is ideal for sharing in-depth content, SEO-friendly articles, and evergreen guides. It's perfect for niches that benefit from detailed information such as tech reviews, health and wellness tips, and financial advice. Setting up a blog requires selecting a reliable web hosting service and a domain name that reflects your niche. Platforms like WordPress make it easy to manage content and optimize it for search engines. A well-designed theme and a user-friendly interface are crucial for attracting and retaining readers. If you're comfortable in front of the camera and enjoy creating visual content, YouTube is an excellent choice. It's great for product reviews, tutorials, and engaging video content that can capture viewers' attention. Setting up a YouTube channel involves creating a Google account, customizing your channel profile, and uploading a channel trailer that explains your content's focus. Investing in good recording equipment and editing software ensures your videos are professional and appealing. Social media platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok are perfect for quick, engaging updates and interactions. They're particularly useful for niches that thrive on visual content and short-form media, such as fashion, food, and travel. Setting up business accounts allows you to access analytics tools that help track your performance. Consistent branding across your profiles, including logos, color schemes, and descriptive bios, enhances your platform's professionalism. Choosing the right platform depends on your strengths and the nature of your niche. Evaluate the platforms frequented by your target audience, and identify the types of content that resonate with them. By selecting the appropriate platform, you can effectively reach and engage with your audience. After choosing your platform, the next step is setting it up to ensure it's ready for your content and audience. Here's how to get started with different platforms. For a blog, you'll need a reliable web hosting service like Bluehost or SiteGround and a domain name that resonates with your niche. Installing a content management system, CMS, like WordPress, is straightforward and offers a range of customizable themes. Identify a theme that is visually attractive, designed for mobile accessibility, and ensures ease of navigation for users. Plugins like Yoast SEO can help optimize your site for search engines. Ensure your website has a clean, logical structure with intuitive navigation to enhance user experience. Setting up a YouTube channel starts with creating a Google account if you don't already have one. Customize your channel by adding a compelling profile picture, banner, and channel description. Utilizing a channel trailer is an outstanding approach to engage new viewers with your content. Quality recording equipment, such as a good camera and microphone, is essential for producing high-quality videos. Editing software like Adobe Premiere Pro or Final Cut Pro can help you create polished, professional videos that engage viewers. Creating business accounts on platforms like Instagram, Facebook, or TikTok involves filling out your profile with consistent branding elements. Use your logo as the profile picture and maintain a cohesive color scheme across your posts. Write a bio that clearly communicates your niche and what followers can expect from your content. Utilize platform-specific features such as Instagram stories, Facebook groups, or TikTok challenges to engage with your audience effectively. Setting up your platform correctly from the beginning is crucial for attracting and retaining your audience. Ensure your platform is visually appealing, easy to navigate, and optimized for performance. Content is the heart of affiliate marketing. High-quality, valuable content not only attracts and engages your audience but also establishes your authority in your niche. Here's how to create compelling content. Understanding your audience's needs and preferences is the first step. Conduct research using tools like Google Keyword Planner, vidIQ, SEMrush, or Ahrefs to find popular search terms in your niche. Look at forums, social media groups, and competitor sites to see what topics are trending and what questions your audience is asking. Diversify your content to keep your audience engaged. On a blog, you might create in-depth articles, how-to guides, and product reviews. For YouTube, consider making tutorials, unboxing videos, and comparisons. On social media, a mix of photos, short videos, infographics, and stories can be effective. Each content type serves a different purpose, from educating your audience to encouraging them to take action. High-quality content is well-researched, well-written, and provides real value to your audience. Invest time in creating thorough, informative content that answers your audience's questions and solves their problems. Consistency is also key. Establish a content calendar to plan your posts and ensure you're publishing regularly. Whether it's weekly blog posts or bi-weekly videos, a consistent schedule helps build trust and keeps your audience coming back. Encourage engagement by asking questions, prompting comments, and responding to your audience's interactions. Engaged audiences are more likely to trust your recommendations and follow your affiliate links. Creating high-quality content that meets your audience's needs is essential for building a successful affiliate marketing platform. By diversifying your content, maintaining consistency, and fostering engagement, you can attract and retain a loyal audience. Search engine optimization, or SEO, is crucial for driving organic traffic to your platform. Proper SEO practices ensure your content ranks high in search engine results, making it easier for potential customers to find you. Here's how to optimize your content. Start with thorough keyword research to identify the terms your target audience is searching for. Use tools like Google Keyword Planner, Ahrefs, vidIQ, or SEMrush to find relevant keywords and long-tail variations. Integrate these keywords naturally throughout your content, including in titles, headers, meta descriptions, and within the body text. Avoid the practice of keyword overuse since it can lead to a decline in both the clarity of the text and its effectiveness in SEO. Optimize each page of your website or each video on your channel. When it comes to blogging, it is important to create attractive meta titles and descriptions that motivate readers to click. Furthermore, utilizing header tags like H1, H2, and H3 helps in structuring the content, and providing descriptive alt text for images is also necessary. For YouTube, optimize video titles, descriptions, and tags with relevant keywords. Include a transcript of your video in the description to improve SEO. A well-organized site structure helps search engines crawl and index your site more effectively. Use clear, descriptive URLs and a logical hierarchy for your pages. Ensure your site is easy to navigate with internal links that guide users to related content. A sitemap enables search engines to grasp the layout of your site effectively. Building high-quality backlinks from reputable sites in your niche improves your site's authority and search rankings. Reach out to other bloggers for guest posting opportunities, participate in industry forums, and collaborate with influencers to earn backlinks. Ensure the backlinks are relevant and come from trusted sources to maximize their impact. Verify that your website is functioning properly from a technical standpoint. This involves ensuring a design that is suitable for mobile use, maintaining quick loading times, and employing secure HTTPS encryption. Use tools like Google PageSpeed Insights to check your site's performance and make necessary improvements. By optimizing your content for SEO, you can significantly increase your visibility and attract more organic traffic. Focus on keyword research, on-page SEO, a well-structured site, quality backlinks, and technical SEO to achieve the best results. Creating great content is only half the battle. Promoting it effectively is essential to reach your audience and drive traffic. Here's how to promote your content. Share your content across social media platforms like Facebook, X, Instagram, and LinkedIn. Customize your content to suit the audience and format of each platform. Utilize hashtags to boost your visibility and interact with your followers by addressing their comments and messages promptly. Consistent posting and active engagement help build a loyal community around your content. Build an email list by offering valuable incentives like exclusive content, free guides, or discounts. Use an email marketing service like MailChimp or ConvertKit to send regular newsletters featuring your latest content, special offers, and affiliate promotions. Personalized and targeted emails can drive significant traffic and conversions. Partner with other bloggers, YouTubers, or social media influencers in your niche. Collaborations can introduce your platform to a new audience and drive traffic. Guest posting on popular blogs or being featured on podcasts are effective ways to reach a broader audience. Participate in relevant online communities and forums like Reddit, Quora, and niche-specific groups. Share your expertise, answer questions, and subtly promote your content when it adds value to the conversation. Avoid overt self-promotion, which can be seen as spammy. Consider using paid advertising to boost your content's visibility. Advertising platforms such as Google Ads, Facebook Ads, and Instagram Ads enable precise targeting of specific audiences. Start with a small budget and test different ad formats and targeting options to find what works best for your niche. Adapt your existing materials into multiple formats to connect with a larger demographic. Turn blog posts into infographics, podcasts, or videos. Share snippets of longer content on social media with links to the full version. Repurposing helps you maximize the value of your content and reach different segments of your audience. Effective promotion is essential for getting your content in front of your target audience. By leveraging social media, email marketing, collaborations, online communities, paid advertising, and content repurposing, you can drive traffic and increase your platform's reach. The final step in building your platform for affiliate marketing is tracking your performance and continuously improving your strategy. Here's how to do it. Use tools like Google Analytics for your website, YouTube Analytics for your channel, and social media insights for your profiles. These tools offer essential insights regarding traffic patterns, user engagement, and conversion rates. Analyze metrics like page views, bounce rates, average time on page, and conversion rates to understand how your content is performing. Pay attention to your audience's feedback through comments, emails, and social media interactions. Engage with your audience by responding to their questions and comments. Identifying their needs and preferences supports the formulation of content that resonates deeply with them. Experiment with different content formats, headlines, images, and call to actions to see what works best. A/B testing allows you to compare two versions of a piece of content to determine which one performs better. Use the insights gained from these tests to optimize your future content. Ensure you are up to date with the newest trends and leading practices in affiliate marketing. Accomplish this by reading relevant industry blogs, attending informative webinars, and enrolling in online courses to further develop your skills. Adapt your strategies to remain competitive and effective in a constantly evolving market. Regularly review your performance data and adjust your strategies accordingly. If a particular type of content or promotional method isn't performing well, consider trying a different approach. Sustained success in affiliate marketing hinges on the commitment to ongoing improvement. By tracking your performance and making data-driven improvements, you can optimize your platform and content for better results. Use analytics tools, engage with your audience, conduct A/B testing, stay informed, and be willing to adjust your strategies to achieve success in affiliate marketing.